So there's less modifications to a laptop setup versus a desktop. Now you can buy wireless keyboards, because the problem is that the keyboard's up here.
Yeah.
So this creates a tension and a strain all the way through the neck and the shoulder. Plus we tend to pitch forward to be able to reach that, and so that we get that tension, because once we pitch forward, all of a sudden these muscles in the low back, the paraspinal muscles that run up and down the spine, they're firing, and they're firing pretty hard to kind of hold you there for that long. So getting a chair that usually requires to not have armrests, because in order to get your chair close enough to your desk so that you can get your arms here versus here. That's one of the biggest things you can do to modify that. They make special lap boards that allow you to open your laptop up pretty wide so that it kind of elevates your screen. Because the other problem is that laptops were here all the time with our head. So it gives you a chance to elevate that screen a little bit more to eye level. And then the keyboard is going to be right here because it's on your lap. It's going to be right here where you need this angle here. Because when you are at a regular computer, like if you pull your chair up to the desk, once you roll your chair up to your desk, you should already be automatically in position. Like your body should just kind of naturally fall here, where your arms are rested at your side, hands are resting over the top of the keyboard, but the keyboard is usually, if it's at the right height, it's too low for you to rest your carpal tunnel and your palms right on that surface. So it usually keeps you at this angle here where your fingers are above the keys, not coming from below and trying to reach up to them. So those lap boards, you can find them in a lot of different office stores. I know I have them in some kids stores too, because my daughter has one. So, and it's just a lap board that has an angled bean bag on the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
But yeah, typically, if you can't find something like that, if you don't want to find something like that, then like I said, getting a chair that actually pull up to the desk, and then you can get it up high enough so that it obeys the rules we set about like the hip angle and your feet still being flat on the floor. Those are the things that can help modify that position so it's very comfortable and your body can have a longer endurance for doing that kind of thing.